I will presentation order later. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Tuti. You can call me Widi. My number is 15. Enjoy this presentation. Here we submit an order for the following item. Number 1, 15 box of A4 copy paper. Number 2, 8 office charts. Number 3, 3 filing cabinet. Please deliver the good to our company address no later than October 5, 2025. Payment will be made by bank transfer with 7 days after the invoice and goods are received. This I respectful submit this order. Thank you for your kind cooperation. That's all our presentation. Thank you for listening and see you next time.